Nowadays, kids are increasingly addicted to social media, spending their time watching short video on mobile phones or TV. Many parents are unaware of the importance of cultivating reading habits in their children, but some are eager to instill this habit. Hello everyone, I am Nirmala Raturi and today I want to discuss something crucial for our kids. In this enchanting video, I will unveil the secrets to cultivating a lifelong love for reading in your little ones. So without further ado, let's jump into the topic. I request you all to watch the video till the very end because in the end I will share some important tricks and tips. Let's embark on a journey of wonder. Did you know that cloth books are available in the market? These books are perfect for those tiny tots who love putting everything in their mouths. Plus, they are washable. From an early age, start reading to them using interesting voice modulation. Flip books and pop up books are also available in the market. Instead of giving them regular screen time, read aloud from books, pointing your finger to the particular words. Books with colorful pictures attract children and they take an interest in listening to stories while watching those pictures in the book. You might have noticed that some parents narrate and read stories in a baby's voice. This is so beneficial because children love this kind of voice, and when parents read stories in this way, they engage with their kids with love and bonding. Until the age of 2, as parents, you should read aloud, turn over the pages, and point to the words. It doesn't matter what language the book is in, it could be in English or Hindi. The main thing is to develop reading habits among them. Some parents might say they don't have much time for reading due to work. In that case, buy a physical book, search for an online audiobook of the same content, combine a physical book with an online audiobook. They can listen and enjoy watching pictures while you do your household chores. If kids don't eat properly, parents worry. Have you ever thought about whether you have read something for your kid today? Reading is food for the brain. If children are in the habit of reading books, their imagination power, vocabulary, and thought process are different from those who are not in the habit of reading. Nowadays, due to technology, various type of books are available such as cloth books, sound books, flip books, pop-up books, picture books and audio books. When my kids were small and I didn't know about all these books, I still developed a reading habit in them by narrating stories and showing pictures. Read stories for them by showing pictures. When my son was in KG, his class teacher told me that he had to take part in a storytelling competition. I made some puppets related to the particular story, titled The Story of Three Fish. Even though KG students are not able to read books on their own, I verbally prepared him for the competition, and he learned by repeating my sentences. When the class teacher was taking his practice, she opened the book in front of him, knowing that he couldn't read. My son forgot the story in between, looked at the book, and continued. The teacher was amazed and asked him why he looked at that page. He replied that he knew that the particular paragraph started with P. He recognized P and recalled the rest of the story. I shared this insight to emphasize that reading stories in front of him helped him recognize the paragraph with the letter P and continue narrating the story. Now, the question is, how can we develop a reading habit in our kids? Here are some tricks and tips. Tip number 1, read in front of your child. Whether you love magazines, self help books, fiction, non fiction, novels, or newspapers, let your child see you reading. Children learn from what they observe. Even if you don't have any interest in reading, pretend in front of them that you are reading. If you show your interest in reading, they are likely to catch your enthusiasm. Tip number 2, make reading a daily habit. You can start raising a reader from the day your child is born. Babies respond to the soothing rhythm of a voice reading aloud, as well as to being cuddled on a warm lap. Tip number 3, create an environment of reading. Pick a comfy spot for reading that has enough light to help your child connect reading with coziness and comfort. Tip number 4, take trips to the library. Many libraries also have story hours or other literary programs for kids. They may enjoy these hours and they may see other children doing the same. Tip number 5, maintain consistency. Read books aloud daily to your kids, and it would be better if you fix a particular time for reading, so that at the same time your subconscious mind reminds you to read. Tip number 6, outdoor reading. Take books outside, whether it's in the backyard, park, or a picnic area. A change of scenery can make reading an adventure. Tip number 7, reread favorite books. You might get tired of reading the same story over and over again, but your child may love it. Kids like to spot things they missed the first time in the story. Rereading gives them a chance to connect the words they hear. Eventually, your child might even start reading the book to you. Tip number 8, enjoy reading books. When you select a book for your kids to read it yourself first and enjoy it, whether you are a teacher or a parent. I am also very fond of reading books. During my school days, I used to give books on my friends' birthdays, and after that, we would share our books with each other to read. If you also like this trick, you may follow the same. Thank you, wonderful parents and caregivers, for joining me on this journey of nurturing our children's love for reading. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share your thoughts or additional tricks in the comments below. And let's build a community of readers. Remember, a book is a magical gateway to imagination, knowledge, and bonding with your little ones. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. I will be sharing more valuable insights in my upcoming videos. And now, as we wrap up this enchanting discussion, I leave you with this quote. A reader today, a leader tomorrow. Happy reading, everyone. Until next time, keep turning those pages and creating beautiful memories with your children. See you in the next video.